Yeah, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Forex Strategy Factory. This is your boy talking about a topic which says, what is Forex and how do you trade Forex? A lot of people that I've met with, most especially the new people in Forex, these are the two questions they always ask. What is Forex? How to trade Forex? Okay? Now, I want you guys to pay attention, especially if you are a beginner. Forex is just like when you are buying or selling the currency of one country against the other one. This is the simple definition of Forex. Let's say, in the physical term, like you took your dollar and you went to exchange it to the currency of another country. That means you have participated in Forex. Okay? Exchanging of the currency of one country for the other is called Forex. Okay? While you keep the margin, which is the profit you made from it. That is simple definition of Forex. Very simple. Now, what do you need to start trading Forex? Many people like to know what is needed to start trading Forex. Okay? If I gotta say, everything you need to trade Forex is just a simple computer, okay, like a laptop. You need a kind of maybe Wi-Fi, that's an internet connection. And the third thing is to open account with a reliable broker. And then you need a good mentor who is going to give you a good signal, who is going to tell you when to buy and when to sell. you know Now, how do you now trade Forex as a beginner? This is where I come into the mentor level. As a beginner, you need somebody who has the knowledge of Forex, okay, with a good result. Okay? And you will need to understand what type of trade does this mentor do? Is it long term? Is it short term? Now, if that is what relates with you, your own kind of Forex trader that you want to be, then you pick that kind of person as a mentor. Okay? Now, when you get that kind of mentor, this is a good mentor. Then you listen to what they say to you, when to buy, when to sell. Okay? You scale up with him, with that type of mentor. Why you are scaling up with such type of mentor, every other thing behind your mind is how to learn how to trade. You want to learn how to trade. Okay? While you are making money with your mentor, you want to also try to learn how to trade, which means you want to invest in yourself. You know, you don't want to be that guy that they are giving fish to eat, but you want to be that person that also understand how to catch the best fish. You understand? If you want to learn the knowledge of Forex as a beginner, to know it and master it to a level where you are independent trader could take you, like, I tell you, it depends on how fast you learn. But even the most slow learner that I've ever seen can take you like 10 years. This is why, as a beginner, everything first you need is get a mentor. Let him be giving you the buy or sell signal. Make your money. The next thing in your brain, how to learn it. You understand? Now, some people also would say, okay, how much am I going to deposit that can make me, the tangible amount of profit? Okay. Now, that also depends on your pocket. We are not equal when it comes to money. Okay. And we can bear risk more better than ourselves. Okay. We are not equal when it comes to the amount we earn in the job we do. Now, and then the level of risk we can bear is different based on individual. You understand? Now, if you ask me, someone like me that I've traded for 13 years, I've gone through a lot. I've tried different kind of deposit. I've blown a lot of accounts. I've made a lot of profit also. I can tell you, easy. Okay, me being a good trader, and I know the way I trade. If I want to advise somebody, I will say, okay, put $200 in your account. Put minimum of $200, and with my own signal, you're gonna grow that account. I did not say you're gonna make profit because I don't know how you trade. I don't know how good, how patient you are with signal. Okay, so this is a disclaimer. Okay, but for profit, we taking my signal, we making profit, and people who take my signal, they act according to the advice I give to them too. They follow instruction. So I don't know if you are able to follow instruction, which means what? Which means when you get your mentor and everything they are telling you based on take how you take the trade, follow instruction. It really matters a lot. Okay? Do not be greedy. Greed is the only thing that will never make you rise up with your mentor. You understand? So I said $200